For a key fob like this, I kind of prefer the 225 paracord. It tightens up better. So bend it into 3 strands. So you have the 2 loops. Bring your upper right down through your lower right loop. Bring your lower left across the right and up or down through the upper left loop. Bring the upper strand end down through the lower right corner. Lower strand through your upper left corner. Giving you this boxy effect with the 2 crossover strands in the center. You want to turn sideways where the 3 loops are on the back of your finger. And the strand is coming out to the left of the middle strand. You're going to tuck it into the right of the middle strand. Come out through the center where the crossover lines are. The end, those 2 crossover points will add tension and keep everything together. And likewise, tilt this way. Coming out to the right of the middle loop on the back of your fingers, so tuck it in through the left. Bring it under 3 strands and out through the center. At this point you can tighten it up a little. Slide it off your finger. I like to pinch just below the main bulk of the knot. And then pull on the center loop. Give a little push and pull here and there to dress it. And the 550 paracord looked a little lumpier, whereas I think this comes out a little better. If you cut the bottom here and burn it, it'll pretty much look like that. I tied a couple of these zipper pulls for the front of my new bag. And I used a 19-inch length. It looks like I probably got about 5-6 inches of waste there. So the good thing about something like this is it gives you different shape. My double Chinese button knot is more round. It's kind of star shaped. And Chinese button knot takes a long time to run through the pattern and tighten it up slowly and get it to the right length. The advantage is you can tuck the ends inside. This one, there's really no way to do it. The knot will collapse. You have to cut it at the bottom, burn it. I can take a magic marker, I guess a little black, to cover up the bottoms. Not perfect, but sometimes I don't feel like going through all the work. I think it will look nice with 2 different shapes next to each other. It's always good to have more to choose from.